In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit mobile only in Elementor. If you've ever designed a page that looks great on desktop, but then you check it on your phone and everything looks a bit off, this tutorial is for you. I'll walk you through how to safely make changes that affect only the mobile version of your page without breaking the desktop or tablet layouts. First, start by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side and click on Pages. This will open a list of all the pages on your site. Find the specific page you want to adjust for mobile. When you hover your mouse over that page title, a set of options will appear right underneath it. From those options, choose Edit with Elementor. That will open the page in the Elementor page builder. Inside Elementor, go to the top center area of the screen. You'll see three icons there, usually showing a desktop monitor, a tablet, and a mobile phone. These are your responsive preview controls. Click on the mobile icon. As soon as you do this, the preview on the right side will switch to mobile view. This means you're now seeing how your page will look on a phone. Here's the important part. When you're in this mobile view, many of the changes you make to things like font size, spacing, and alignment will apply only to mobile, as long as those settings are marked as responsive in Elementor. This lets you fine-tune the mobile experience without altering how everything looks on desktop. There's also another quick way to jump into mobile editing if you're already working on a particular element. Look at the left panel where all the element settings appear. For many of these settings, you'll see a small icon next to options like typography, margin, or padding. That icon might show a desktop or tablet symbol. Click on that little icon, and a small drop-down will appear with the different device icons, including mobile. Select the mobile icon there, and Elementor will switch both the preview and that specific setting to mobile mode. This trick is especially useful when you're already editing something and want to make sure a particular adjustment is applied only to the mobile layout. By using these device icons, you can quickly move between desktop, tablet, and mobile, and keep each version of your design looking exactly how you want.